Wait. Wait to cross.
You can barely see the lighting now. It's almost out.
Wait to cross. Walk sign is on to cross. Wait to cross. Walk sign is on to cross. Walk sign.
Why has this one got a low pitch tone? So all but two have a low pitch tone. What the hell? Yeah, all but two have a low pitch tone. But why?
Wait to cross.
I guess it just doesn't make sense to me.
Wait. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Walk sign is
Walk signal.
wait. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Walk sign is on to cross.
How am I supposed to get around you, dude? He backed up a little bit, too close. He got a little too close to the crosswalk. He backed up though, which is good. Anyway, that's it for this one. See you guys next time at another intersection in Tucson this time. See you later, bye!